Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our Bitcoin, crypto, as well as forex trading strategy series. So today we will go through another manual strategy. It is called as this indicator is called CPR and MA indicator. And what this indicator does is it plots the CPR for you. Um, the CPR daily CPR it plots for you. There are other indicators also in this, but our strategy main focus is on CPR, which we discussed yesterday, how to use CPR for trading. But this strategy is CPR plus moving averages. So we will use slow, simple moving averages also, and there are different moving averages as a part of this indicator: 9, 20, 50, 100, and 200. We will use 920 for shorter time frames and crossover for shorter time frames, and for longer time frames we will use 100 and 50 and 200 for longer time frame crossovers. Okay, so that's this. And yeah, so there is CPR along with the resistances and supports that are plotted on the chart. And we have SMAs and EMS also, but SMAs is enabled in this particular chart. Okay, so it's pretty similar to yesterday's strategy, but we have a further confirmation here in this strategy that we also get the confirmation from the EMA crossovers. Apart from using the CPR, we use also EMA crossovers to understand the direction of the particular trade that we are gonna take. So what I'll do is, so this is Bitcoin perpetual futures on Delta India Exchange. We will check 15 minutes, okay, and for shorter time frame, and 30 minutes, and for longer time frames, we'll take 1 hour, okay. So for shorter time frames, what we will do is we will disable the yeah, we can keep the 50 and 200, but let me just show you. So this yellow color is 9 SMA, and this green is 20 SMA, and this red color is 50 SMA, and white is 200 SMA. 100 SMA is also there, but we have disabled it. So our plan is to use 9 and 20 for shorter time frames like 15-30 minutes, and our plan is to use 50 and 200 for like 1 hour time frames. So this is the 15-minute strategy. So if you see, this is the CPR, and we have the resistances and the supports here. Okay. So if we go by this strategy, and okay, on a 15-minute time frame on Bitcoin perpetual futures. So see, on a shorter time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes also. 5 minutes is too short. Let's use 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes we should use the crossover of 9 and 20. Okay, 9 and 20 we can use as a crossover, and 200 EMA as well as 50 EMA we can use for overall trend direction. Okay, so if it's below 200 EMA, then it's better to take it's good to take short positions only. So that's how we can use it, and we will enter into a position when the 9 and the 20 crossover is there. Okay, so that's when we have to enter into a trade. Okay, so like here we will enter into a short position, here we will enter into a short position, and target you can keep as much as you want, based on as long as there is no crossover again. So you're entering here in this position, and then you will exit after the 920 crosses back again. Okay, just to show you what I'll do, I'll remove the 50 and 200 for the time being, and then we'll keep it back. Okay, so 50 and 100 I'm removing. Okay, so see this, you'll enter here and you'll continue the trade here. You can exit somewhere here. Okay, so this is the profit you'll make. Okay, so like that we can use this CPR plus MA strategy, MA crossover, to understand the direction and for the entry and exit, and yeah, CPR to understand the resistance and support levels, as well as whether there will be momentum in the market. So trend is identified by the moving average crossovers, and momentum and support resistances are identified by the CPR. Okay, so we've checked on 15 minutes. Let's check on 30 minutes. It's loading for 30 minutes. So see, you'll enter here because it's below 200 EMA. You'll enter here and you just stay in the trade as long as you know this. You can exit here or you can exit here. Okay, so that's how we'll enter the trade. Like here, you can enter at the crossover of 9 and 20. So when 9 crosses below the 20 EMA, you enter the trade. Okay, and as long as it is below 200 EMA, the short positions could be taken. So this is for the shorter time frames. What we will do now is we will enable the 50 and 100 also, 200 also. 50 also enable. Okay. So now let's go to 1 hour time frame. So here in the longer time frames, what you will check is this 50 is crossing down below 200. So this is a golden cross strategy. So 50 SMA crossing the 200 SMA, and it's crossing down here. So you'll enter here, and you will stay in the trade as long as uh, this there is no cross. The 50 SMA doesn't cross the 200 SMA above. Okay, and you'll get huge profits if you do this way. You see, you're entering here somewhere here. You're entering and see the level of profits you're making with simple moving average crossover strategy. Similar is for 4 hours also. 4 hours. Yeah, so for 4 hours also, if you see, it is we need to enter here in a long position. The short position has not yet started. But I think 1 hour is giving good results compared to 4 hours when we use 50 and 200 EMA. Okay, and 15 minutes is giving good results for the shorter time frames. So let's check the Bitcoin USDT also. Uh, okay, check Bitcoin USDT. 1 hour. So same here again. You'll enter when this 50 SMA crosses 200 SMA, and you'll stay in the trade. Okay, let's see the 15 minutes one. So 15 minutes one. Yeah, you'll enter when 9:20. Okay, so when the 9 EMA crosses the 20 EMA, you'll enter and you'll exit when the reverse happens. Okay. So it's giving profit in Bitcoin Tether US also. It works on Ethereum also. So Ethereum USDT, let us see, 15 minutes. So see, you enter 9:20, right? So here you will enter. You'll stay till here. Okay, and you here you will enter. You'll stay till here. But generally, if this higher time frames are bearish, then you only take the short trades. Okay. So let's see the 1 hour one. So yeah, 1 hour one is you'll enter here and you'll stay in this trade. Okay, you'll stay in this trade, or you cut your position here and you enter again here at a 200 crossover. Let us see for Ethereum USD.P. So this is the indicator CPR and MA, and this indicator is let's see what this indicator is. This is CPR Camarilla and Moving Average Indicator, open source script, May 21, 2021, from Sudesh Mohan with 1.1k followers. He has different things like CPR levels. He has previous day high lows is there, five moving averages, and simple moving averages and exponential moving averages are there as a part of this indicator. Okay. So here 1 hour, if you see again same, it's working here. So you enter here and it's a huge profit is there. So that's the CPR plus MA indicator, guys, which can be used to trade by using the 920 SMAs for shorter time frames like 15 minutes, and 50 and 200 golden crossover strategy for trading the 1 hour time frames. And it's working on pretty much all the asset classes: Ethereum perpetual futures, Ethereum USDT, Bitcoin perpetual futures, as well as on Delta India Exchange and Bitcoin USDT. So that's the strategy, guys. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.